Watch this video and learn how to draw a palm tree in the sunshine.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Do you love art?
Oh, Artie love art. Artie love art.
Okay, we
Artie
understand
love
you love art.
Artie love art.
Do you know what a palm tree is?
Yeah.
Would you like to do a drawing of a palm tree?
Yes, please.
Well, that's what we'll do.
Yeah.
It's great to see everybody today.
It's a real pleasure.
Well, it's a pleasure to see you guys as well. Okay, let's start this drawing of a palm tree. Draw a little hook on the left, and then another little hook on the right, and then connect the two together at the bottom. Now we're going to do exactly the same underneath.
Okay.
Draw another little hook on the left. That's right. And another little one on the right. And connect those two together at the bottom.
I don't know what this is going to be, but it sure looks good.
You'll recognize it when it's finished, Betty. That's right, Artie. Another two hooks. Join them together at the bottom. If Artie's drawing too quick, here's Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now we're going to draw another little hook on the left and another one on the right. Have you noticed they're getting a little bit bigger as we come towards the bottom of the page? Very good, Artie. Now let's draw some eyes at the top. Draw a little circle and shade it in black. That's right. And then do another one next to it. There you go.
That's just beautiful.
Now let's draw a circle around the left eye. Not too big. That's right, Artie. And now let's draw a circle around the right eye. So now we have the trunk of a palm tree with two eyes. It's a bit weird looking at the moment, but it'll be great when it's finished. Let's make our palm tree very happy with a big smiley face. Do a curve at the top, a slightly bigger curve at the bottom. Then let's do a line through. Let's draw some teeth. A palm tree with teeth. Now make sure you colour in the middle part of the mouth nice and black. That's going to make the tongue and the teeth really stand out. Okay, now we have a palm tree trunk with eyes and a mouth. It still looks a bit weird, but it's going to look great. Let's add some funny eyebrows. Little triangles shaded in black. One above the left eye and one above the right eye.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
Now we'll draw one last section of the trunk, and that will become the palm tree's face. So again, our two little hooks, and then connect the hooks together at the bottom. Now we have a full trunk.
Should he take a dance break, little artists?
Would you like a dance break, Artie? It's Mikey's suggestion. Okay, let's take a dance break.
Judge, it is my judgment that is a 10.
I see Louis gave you a score of 10 again, Artie.
Yeah.
Great job.
Okay.
Now let's get on with drawing the leaves of the palm tree. This is going to be fun. Draw a big curved line coming from the middle of the head to the left. Now let's draw lots of little triangles moving towards the palm tree's left eye. All the way along. Perfect.
Wonderful, Artie.
Now can you do the same again on the right side? A big curve. All the way over. That's it. Now, let's do lots of little triangles. Start on the right side of his right eye. Just there. And then triangle, 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 triangle. That's a lot of triangles. Let's do 2 more leaves. Same thing again. A big curve. And then all of our little triangles. That's right. And 1 final leaf on the right side. Again, a big curve coming all the way down.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
It sure is very neat, Betty. Well, our palm tree looks great, but he looks a bit lonely. Let's draw a friend, a big sun. Draw a nice big circle on the right side. Very good. Now we're going to draw lots of little flame shapes. That's it. See how it looks a little bit like a flame? We're going to do those all the way around the sun. I think you've got room for lots more, Artie. How many have you done so far? I think I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number 8. You can get lots more in there. Number 9. 10. Maybe you can get 12 to 11. Yes, I think 12. 12.
That's fantastic.
Wow.
You finished? Well, I think we should colour it in, don't you? It's going to look wonderful coloured in. You finished, Artie? Oh my goodness, it looks so good now it's coloured in. Great work.
See you later, little artists.
Have a great day, guys.
That's right. We hope you all have a great day. And remember, have an Artie day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.